Okay guys, this is a 2025 Ford Maverick Lariat. Loaded up. It's like black edition. Got a black roof. Rebuilt title. Did have some rear damage. I don't think anything up here was touched. Does have the LED daytime running lights when it's going. See that when we come back around. So I got 1,700 miles on it, so tires are like new. Leather, B&O sound system, tow package. Start it up here for you. 25 also comes with this bigger screen. 1776 on the miles. Adaptive cruise, lane assist, power sliding rear glass, wireless charging, automatic start, all your different options here, your drive assist options. Heated seats, heated steering wheel, navigation, Bluetooth. Power seats. No sunroof. Your VIN number. It's got the all-weather floor mats on it. Power in the rear. It's got the bed cover. Tow package here. This was rear damage. Spray and bed liner. Power back here. Super clean, new body style. It's got the bigger screen, cool headlights. Good colors. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.